Hi everyone, it's your girl Regina coming to you with another video. In today's video, we're going to do sublimation picture pendants on hip hop charms. I'm actually going to show you guys two types of charms that you can sublimate on. I'm going to show you how to sublimate on the ones that you can get from Amazon, as well as the hip hop chain, the hip hop pendant that actually you can sublimate a picture on both sides and it spins. That you can find these right on my website, Side Hustle Queen Creations. I know a lot of people watch my picture pendant where we did the print and cut. I actually don't do them that way anymore since I got into sublimation. Sublimation pendants are really easy to do and they come out nice and vibrant. These are the picture pendants that you can get off of Amazon, and you can see the difference between the two. And even the thickness of the hip hop pendant is a lot thicker than the one you get off Amazon. So I'm actually going to show you guys how easy it is to sublimate both pendants, especially with the holidays coming up. These make great gifts: birthday gift, holiday gift, Christmas gift, Mother's Day, Father's Day, you name it. These are really good gifts. If this is your first time joining me, welcome to my channel, Regina's Crazy Life. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so that you will not miss out. So let's get right into this picture pendant video. We're going to sublimate these. It do not even take that long. It's a quick, easy side hustle that can actually make you a lot of money. So let's get started. The supplies that you're going to need for this project is you're going to need your hip hop pendant. Again, you can buy these off my website, sidehustlequeencreation.com. If you're doing the Amazon sublimation pendant, you can get those off Amazon, and I will leave a link in the description bar for those. The picture pendants come with a sublimation disc, and you're going to just need some E6000, a Q-tip, and of course you're going to need the pictures that you're going to sublimate. So I am doing two pendants today. So with the hip hop pendant, it's two sides. So I'm actually going to make this for my son. And I'm going to put my picture on one side, and I'm going to put a picture of him and his wife on their wedding day on the other side. And I'm going to make me a pendant of him and his wife. Actually, I'm going to make this and put it in her stocking. Using the Amazon pendant. I think I'm gonna actually make that one for my daughter-in-law to make good for her stocking this Christmas. So what you want to do is you want to get your sublimation domes. Before you lay these domes onto the picture, they have some plastic on it. So you want to peel the plastic off, slowly peel the plastic off, and try not to get no fingerprints on it. So you peel the plastic off, and you just lay the dome onto the picture, right in the middle. I actually do my pictures on 1.3 by 1.3 because with sublimation, you want to make sure it sublimates the whole dome. So I just make my pictures a little bit bigger. And then I take a little piece of heat tape and I just tape the dome down onto the picture. Go to the next one. Peel the plastic off. Place your dome right in the middle. Grab you a piece of the heat tape and tape it down. whatever you do, do not forget to take the plastic off. This project can actually be done with your heat press or a Cricut Easy Press. I already had my heat press on since I was doing some shirts earlier, so I'm just going to use my heat press. But you can set your heat press or your Easy Press to 400 degrees for 60 seconds. So now that we got all three of our pictures taped down, I always just take a piece of parchment paper or butcher paper and fold it and slide your pictures in. And if you have the heat press, the Cricut Easy Press, then you just want to press down onto your dome for the 60 seconds. But I'm going to take mine over to the heat press and let the heat press it for 60 seconds. I always use butcher or parchment paper when you're using sublimation, because you don't want to mess up your Easy Press or your heat press, because once that dye and stuff start getting onto your equipment, it can actually sublimate onto your next project. So I'm gonna head over to my heat press and we're gonna go ahead and press the pictures onto the domes. Okay, I'm back, everyone. I took my pictures, the whole parchment paper, over to my heat press and I pressed it for 60 seconds at 400 degrees, and I actually let it cool off for a minute. So now we can remove the domes and get our first look at our pictures. Which they came out really, really great. As you can see with the sublimation, it sublimated onto the pendant nicely. You don't even have no more, pretty much all the ink off the paper is pretty much gone. And the old way with the cut and print, we had to print it out, let it dry, we had to put glue on, we had to make sure air bubbles, all that good stuff. With the sublimation, you don't have to do all that. You just have to print, press, and attach. They all came out nice and vibrant, really easy. Super easy to do. So the first pendant we're going to do is the pendant that I'm going to put in stocking stuffer for my daughter-in-law. Now with the Amazon sublimation pendants, you can have these done within less than 10 minutes. That's why I say it's an easy side hustle. So with the Amazon pendants, they come with two-sided tape. So what you want to do is you want to peel one side off and actually attach it to the pendant. And I just use this little pick that I got from Dollar Tree, and then because it's double-sided, it's a little bit hard to get up, but it will come up. And you pull the other side off. And now all you have to do is place your pendant, your picture into your pendant, and press it down. I try not to use my finger because I don't want fingerprints all over my picture. So you can just use a Q-tip, a piece of tissue, napkin, something like that. And the Amazon picture pendant is actually done. Sublimation Amazon picture pendant is just that easy to do. Okay? And you can always take a little bit of alcohol. Even if you do touch it to press it down with your finger, just put a little bit of alcohol, wipe it off, and it's fine. So now we're going to move on over to the hip hop spin, where you can do pictures on both sides. The hip hop picture pendant. Now, with the hip hop picture pendant, it comes with the dome. So what you want to do is, I'm going to take a little bit of my E6000 and I'm going to put it in the middle of one side. With the hip hop picture pendants, you want to make sure that you let your picture cool before you move on to this phase right here. And you just want to spread it all over the inside of that dome. Then you want to take your picture and you just want to lay it right in the middle and press down. And then you want to let it dry. While that side is drying, I am going to, look at that, it's already nice. I'm going to flip it over and I'm going to do the opposite side. Same process, same procedure. Add a little bit of E6000. What I like about the sublimation pendants is you don't have to deal with all of the bubbles and all that we used to deal with the cut and print pendants. Let's take my Q-tip and spread it all around. And if you have, see that one of the reasons why I like to use a Q-tip, so in case I put a little bit too much of the E6000 onto the pendant, the Q-tip cotton really takes away a lot of the extra. And if it runs a little bit, take the dry side and just wipe it off. It's clear. Try to make sure when you use just E6000, make sure you use clear E6000. And you just press that picture down. And you have the hip hop picture pendant both sides. Spin everything. Picture looks nice. So the next step, these particular pendants, the supplier sends a dome. You can use the dome, you cannot use the dome. I sell my Amazon pendants all the time, just like this, no dome, no nothing, no problems at all. But since these came with a dome, I'm going to attach the dome to my picture. I'm gonna flip it over and do the back side, same thing. Try not to put my finger on this one. Let's do it this way. And then peel it off. Yeah, that's a lot better. I didn't get my finger on this one. Even though I don't see my finger on the other picture. So we'll let those dry. Well, actually, before you send it out to your customer, let it sit, let it dry. And there you have it. You have the hip hop sublimation picture pendant that spins. Just that easy. Now I am noticing, oh no, I just need to dry. There we go. Make sure with the dome, with the little dome, make sure you press it down. Make sure ain't no air up under there. That's what I'm making sure right now, you guys. But that's it. That's just how you make the hip hop sublimation picture pendant. let it dry, pack it up, send it out to one of your customers as a gift. These are beautiful. They're nice to make. I hope you guys enjoyed this video on how to make your sublimation hip hop chain or your hip hop picture pendant. If you purchase them, the blinks off of my website, I do have some chains that they did come with. Most people just purchase their own chain. I just sell the dome to customers. The chain is just an extra gift to come with it. But there you have it. Sublimation hip hop picture pendant. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check out my website, Side Hustle Queen Creations. And if you want to know what I'm doing on a week-to-week basis, make sure that you join my Facebook group, SideHustleQueenCreations.com. I will see you guys on the next video, and enjoy making your picture pendants. Bye, everyone.